Viva Unity! Viva Unity! Viva Unity, hear the sound. Oh, oh, Viva Unity, hear the sound. Viva Unity, hear the sound. Viva Unity, hear the sound. Football magic all around. Every nation waves the flag. Dreams are carried on their backs. Lights are shining through the night. Crowds are jumping full of life. Every player wants the fame, giving all inside the game. Feel the fire in your soul. Football makes the planet whole. From the cities to the streets, everybody feels the beat. Children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the teams begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Viva Unity, hear the roar. We are stronger than before.
Golden trophies in their eyes, every team prepared to rise. Sweat is falling on the grass, history begins to pass. Every tackle, every run shines beneath the burning sun. Voices echo through the night as the stars begin to shine. Feel the energy ignite. World Cup fever burns tonight.
Mexico and Canada, USA together now. Three great nations host the stage, writing football history's page. Millions watching every play, night and morning, every day. Every city feels alive as the world begins to vibe. Viva Unity, hear the call. Football rises over all. Young boys dreaming in the rain, hoping one day fame will gain. Those are singing with the crowd, strong and fearless, standing proud. Football teaches us to fight, to keep chasing every light. Every smile and every tear shows the magic we all share. Viva Unity, hear the beat, moving to the same heartbeat. Every striker wants the fame, every captain leads the game. If your masters gather flow, making magic as they go. Every whistle, every call makes emotions rise and fall. Still the spirit never fades, even through the toughest days. One more chance to touch the sky, one more dream before goodbye. Drums are beating through the streets. Everybody feels the beat. Every country, every race celebrates in one embrace. Football speaks without a word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place.
Viva Unity.
Let us sing.
Football is the beautiful game.
Late at night, the lights glow bright. Fans are dancing through the night. Cars are honking through the town. Celebration all around. Music louder than before, as the crowds continue more. Every victory, every cheer creates memories through the years.
Football gives the world
A light burning strong into the night.
raise your flags into the sky.
Let your dreams come alive.
Raise your flags into the sky.
Let your dreams come alive.
Feel the power, feel the flame.
Everybody knows the name.
Viva Unity.
Hear the sound. Football turns the world around.
Viva Unity.
Sing tonight, shining underneath the lights. Every nation side by side, with the passion burning bright. Viva Unity, hear the roar. Football opens every door, under one eternal flame. We are one inside the game.
Every player gives their all, standing proud, refusing fall. Every crowd begins to sing, voices rising like the wind. Hope is stronger than the fear, victory is drawing near. Every heartbeat, every sound shakes the magic through the ground.
Viva Unity, hear the cry, touch the stars beyond the sky. Underneath the neon skies, every young and old together now, sharing love without a doubt. Every corner of the earth celebrates the game tonight. From the villages to towns, joy is spreading all around. Feel the movement, feel the pride. World Cup spirit, worldwide. Champions born beneath the rain, turning pressure into fame. Every tackle, every save shows the courage of the brave. Every legend starts somewhere with determination there. Football teaches us to fight, never giving up the light. Viva unity, let them know. Passion makes the spirit grow, grow, grow.
Hear the whistles, hear the drums,
Feel the power as
it comes. Every city, every street
moves along the same heartbeat.
fans are jumping full of pride.
Waving flags from side to side,
Every goal becomes a song.
bringing all the world along. Football writes another dream, more than just a simple game.
Feel the magic in the air.
Unity is
Everywhere.
no more borders, no more fear. Only passion living here. Every player, every fan, part of one united land. Through the joy and through the pain, football always will remain. Viva unity, hear the voices fly underneath the endless sky.
Viva unity. Viva unity.
Viva unity, hear the voices fly underneath the endless sky. Viva unity, hear the voices fly underneath the endless sky.
Viva unity. Hear the sound.
Viva stars and shining lights. Every anthem, every cheer makes emotions crystal clear. Football speaks without the word, still its message can be heard. Every culture, every face finds connection in this place. Feel the fire, feel the sound, as the world keeps spinning round. Some will win and some will cry, still the dream begins to rise. From the big, the neon skies, every dream begins to rise. Every plate, every dice. From the cities to the streets, everybody feels the beat. Children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the tunes begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Viva unity, hear the beat roar. We are stronger than before. From the cities to the streets, everybody feels the beat. Children singing everywhere, passion floating through the air. Every heartbeat feels alive as the tunes begin to rise. Different cultures, different names, still united by the game. Viva unity, hear the roar. We are stronger than before. Golden trophies in their eyes, every team prepared to ride. Golden trophies in their eyes, every team prepared to rise. Fighters falling on the grass as the big